In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Meet recording feature, a convenient tool that allows you to record your virtual meetings for future reference or sharing with others who couldn't attend. Before we dive into the process, let's ensure you have everything set up correctly. First, you'll need a Google Workspace account with access to certain plans such as Business Standard, Business Plus, Enterprise, or Education. Also, it's important that you are either the meeting host or have been given the necessary permissions to record. Don't forget to check your Google Drive storage, as recordings are saved directly there, so you'll want to make sure there's enough space available. Now let's get started with recording a Google Meet session. Begin by opening Google Meet and either starting a new meeting or joining an existing one. Once you're in the meeting, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Activities menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal more options. From here you'll want to select Recording. Upon selecting the recording option, you'll need to choose the language for any captions if necessary, and then proceed by clicking Start Recording. A pop-up window will appear confirming your choice. Simply click Start again to initiate the recording process. It's worth noting that as soon as the recording begins, all participants in the meeting will be notified with a message that the meeting is being recorded. This is an important aspect, ensuring transparency and compliance with privacy considerations. Once the meeting ends, or if you decide to stop the recording manually, the file will be saved directly to the meeting host's Google Drive. You'll find it neatly organized in a folder labeled Meet Recordings. Furthermore, a link to the recording will be conveniently sent via email to the host, and you'll also find it shared in the Google Meet chat for easy access. That's all there is to it. Recording meetings can be incredibly useful for reviewing discussions later, or for sharing key points with those who couldn't make it. Remember to always inform your participants when you're recording for transparency and respect their privacy. Keep these steps in mind and you'll be a pro at using the Google Meet recording feature in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your virtual meetings more productive and accessible.